Hi all. This is a quick update to the instructions for installing the UTM virtual machine for the class. Special thanks to Ajay and Jace for coming up with this fix. Um, there, I have posted this file that describes describes the instructions for correctly installing UTM onto your machine. Um, on Canvas in the course Canvas page. I'll walk through this really quickly to show you how you do it. So we're gonna navigate to our Google Drive. We're gonna right click and select download. I've already downloaded these files. You'll see that you'll get two files, this data-001.qcow2 and this other zipped UTM file uh, that should go to your downloaded folder on your Mac. So after that, we're going to navigate to our downloads folder. You're going to unzip this neuroimaging methods thing. This will create the neuroimaging methods underscore applesilicon.utm file. We're going to then rename the data cow or qcow2 file. So you find that in here. You're going to rename it to just data.qcow. Okay, just like that. You're going to then navigate back to the UTM file and navigate this, right click and show packages. You're going to first delete this view.plist file. Then you're going to go into images and we're going to copy or just move. I'm going to open up another Finder window and I'm just going to move that data.qcow file into this file called images. Close that. Just like that. Okay. And then we're going to open UTM. And then I'm going to import and open my existing file. I'm going to navigate to that file that we just updated to downloads. Click on open. And you should see it get added here. And if I click start, the virtual machine should boot. And you see we have our login, 651 is the password, and you should be able to log in. Again, special thanks to Ajay and Jace for coming up with this fix. This is great. Hopefully everyone is able to make these corrections and get the machine working on your own Apple Silicon. Any questions, please reach out to us. Happy to help if folks are still having any trouble. Thanks.